So here's our first equation. We can see that the unknown is stuck inside the log, so I'm going to have to switch to that exponential form. So I'm just going to ask myself, what's the base? What's the exponent? What's it supposed to equal? And then once I change the form to get the unknown out of the log, I'm going to go ahead and just like follow the instructions that the problem is giving me and just do what it says. So basically, this little number down here is the base. So that's 5. This over here is the exponent squared, and this is what it's supposed to equal. And the nice thing is now that x is no longer stuck inside of parentheses, right? And I can start to do some things to solve this. Of course, before I solve, I have to simplify. So I need to figure out what 5 squared is. Luckily, I don't need a calculator for that. 5 times 5 is 25. That's going to equal 3x. And now we are literally back down to like middle school math. If 3 times x equals 25 and you had to figure out what x equals, well, 3 does not go into 25 evenly. So I'm going to actually encourage you guys to use a fraction here. I mean, here's the basic thing. This x needs to be by itself. Currently, it's being multiplied by 3. I'll divide by 3 and divide by 3. I'll get a fraction. If that fraction reduces, I'll reduce it. This fraction does not reduce, so I'm totally happy with you leaving it as 25 over 3. If you want to get a calculator out and do 25 divided by 3 and get that the answer I think is 8.3 repeating, that's okay. But honestly, that's the preferred answer. I want to point out too, in many ways we are using reverse PEMDAS here. I got the, well, we'll get into that more tomorrow. That's how I want you to handle this right now. Switch forms, get the x by itself. Good luck.